Hi everybody, welcome to the class, chapter number 4, and this chapter is about möbel, which means furnitures. This is also about describing an object, so saying this is a beautiful object or something. It's also about giving advice to people. So in this chapter we will be looking at in hören, we'll be looking at giving advice, so conversation about giving advice, and also offering help. So Hilfe anbieten means to offer help. Hilfe means help and anbieten is to offer. In sprechen, to speak, we will talk about nach Preisen fragen und Preise nennen, is to ask for prices and to name prices. So how much does this cost and telling them how much it will cost. Wie viel kostet denn der Tisch? How much will the table cost? Etwas bewerten, to say, to describe something. Das finde ich schön, in order to give. Yeah, das finde ich schön. I find this beautiful. Wortfelder. So what words are we going to learn from this chapter? Zahlen, to number things. So 1, 200, 1,000. And we'd also learn how to number, and also from 100 to a million. About words would be about möbel, that is our furnitures, and adjective. Adjective are something like describing words such as schön, groß, kurz, lang, etc. etc. And in grammatic, our main focus would be definite article, that is der, die, das. Okay, so which means that the, so the apple, der Apfel, the table, der Tisch, the bottle, die Flasche, etc. And at the same time, we'd also be looking at the personal pronomen, er, sie, es, yeah, er, es, sie. That is pronomen, that is for personal, so which replaces the noun. So der Tisch becomes er. Das Buch becomes es. So things like that. So let's now move on to the topic. Okay, so in the chapter you'll see the capital 4 is called Der Tisch ist schön. I've tried to put a really nice image of a really nice beautiful table here. And the first topic, as we all know, is was siehst du auf dem Bild. So click on the topic and then make sure that you write down was du auf dem Bild siehst. Okay, what do you see on the image? So the image, it's loading now. So the image is, yeah, so gibt es zwei Leute, ja, ein Mann, der Mann und die Frau. Gibt es hier was siehst du hier? Eine Lampe, ja, das ist ein Bild. Sie sind ein Bett, ja, gibt es ein Bett, auch ein Tisch vielleicht, ja. So please write down in the box below. Okay, so adding submission, please write down these things. Yeah, so auf dem Bild sehe ich, on the photo I see, ich glaube, I think. So I will try to tell you what it is. So auf dem Bild sehe ich zwei Personen, ja, ein Mann und eine Frau. Ich glaube, der Mann ist 25 Jahre alt und ich glaube, die Frau ist 23 Jahre alt. Ich sehe eine was ist das, Lampe und auch ein Bild. Ich sehe auch ein Bett und die Küche. Okay, so please write them down. After writing them down, we move to the next topic, the möbel, the furniture. Okay, by clicking in the button right here. So this topic is about different type of furniture we can find in our houses. Okay, so it will be tables and chairs. The description will be all given. Okay, and I've also recorded an audio for the same. So please take some time to read the different type of furniture you can find in your house. Read the articles, attempt the quiz. By article, we do not mean the big articles, we mean der, die, das. Yeah, so der for male, die for feminine, and das for neutrum. So please look at the image and then please listen to the audio. After listening to the audio, go to the next line. Yeah, it's die Möbel 2. Möbel means furniture. So these are all furnitures. Yeah, so tables and chairs and sofas and beds. Also there is an image photo there which is a part of our housing decoration. So in the mobile second chapter we will see other images as such. Okay, so that's all for this one. Listen to the audio and take the quiz. After that will be demeurable, fill in the blanks. So I would want you to fill the blanks. Okay, there will be few images there, and then you'd have to write down what do you see with the particular article. So attempt the quiz now. So please do it by yourself. Make sure that you spend some time, look at the articles, remember them. So ich habe, so what is das? Das ist das Bett. Das Bett. Please notice that the nouns are always in capital letters. Okay, so Bett ist in capital B. Okay, das ist die Lampe. Yeah, again, Lampe. Yeah, it's in capital L. Is Schwarz. Schwarz means black. So please take this quiz. Okay. After that, we're gonna do wer sagt was, who says what. There will be an audio, and you'd have to listen to the audio and then mark who said what. Okay, it's really simple. It's really easy. If you're confused, please write them down. The confusion in the end. What was the confusion, etc., etc. So there will be two quizzes, two audio files, and then you'd have to see. So listen to the audio and choose what they said. Okay, so who said what? So there are two people, Sibylle und Arthur. Yeah, so who said what? Okay, so you can just play to the audio.
Lektion 4. Der Tisch ist schön. Aufgabe 2.
Listen to the audio and then do that thing yourself. Perfect. So now pronomen. So this is a lesson for pronouns. So in this one you would be given a description of what pronouns are. Okay, so take the lesson, and also at the end there will be a quiz about using the actual pronouns for the nouns. Then comes numbers, so from 1 to a million. Okay, the description and all that is again given down there. Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? So there will be things to write down in thing. Nein danke. So in German, you have to say thanks, you have to say welcome, unlike in Nepal. Yeah, we don't use the word thank you as often. You might hear some people saying dhanyavad, but it's quite rare. But in German, we have to make sure that we are saying thank you, welcome, sorry, etc., etc. And then there is this quiz over here will tell you what to say when. And after you're done, it should take you around 30-45 minutes or something to go through the whole chapter. I have tried to cover all the things we need to do within the chapter number 4. Yeah, and so if you think that still few things are remaining, please write them again in the box, the forum box, and we'll try to cover this as soon as we are able to. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for listening to my audio, and okay guys, see you.